Hi authors, Grant here from Written Word Media. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has intrigued readers and authors alike for centuries: pen names. Have you ever wondered why some authors choose to write under a different name? Well, stick around because we're going to go into the how and why of author pen names. Before we get started, don't forget that Written Word Media is more than just a YouTube channel. We have helped over 40,000 authors build their careers with our book promos. If you'd like to learn more about these, just check out the links in our description. So, let's jump in. What exactly is a pen name? A pen name, also known as a pseudonym or a nom de plume, is a fictitious name that a writer will use instead of their real name. Think of it as a literary alter ego. For example, the author of Jane Eyre, Charlotte Bronte, originally published her work under the name Currer Bell. Her sisters, Emily and Anne, did the same thing with the name Ellis and Acton Bell, respectively. Why do authors use pen names? There are actually several reasons, so let's take a look. Firstly, some authors use it as a way to conceal their real identity. Italian novelist Elena Ferrante, famous for My Brilliant Friend, has always kept her real identity a mystery. This anonymity allows her to live a private life, free from the public scrutiny that often comes with fame. Then there's John le Carré, the pen name for David Cornwell. Due to his work with British intelligence, he had to publish under a pseudonym to protect his real identity. This was not just a personal choice, but a necessity. Others, like Bell Hooks, used the pseudonym to honor someone special in their life. Gloria Jean Watkins used this pen name to honor her great-grandmother. Authors might also use pen names to try out new genres or experiment with their writing. Agatha Christie, the queen of mystery, published romance novels under the name Mary Westmacott to allow her creative freedom. That way, she could experiment without the pressure of her well-established name in the mystery genre. There are even more reasons why authors use pen names. Sometimes, it's about representing a collective authorship. For example, Dungeons & Dragons novels are published under the name T.H. Lane. This is a collective pseudonym that represents all the different authors that have contributed to the series. Throughout history, many women have also published under pseudonyms to prevent discrimination. George Eliot, whose real name was Mary Ann Evans, chose a male pseudonym to make sure her work was taken seriously. Another is to avoid confusion with other writers. A writer with a common name might choose a unique pen name to prevent confusion with other writers, celebrities, or public figures. Is using a pen name legal? Absolutely. Many authors have done it. However, it's important to make sure all the legal documents around your publishing, like contracts and tax forms, use your real name. Choosing a pen name is an important decision. Think carefully about why you really want to use one. Before settling on a pen name, Google it to make sure that it isn't associated with another public figure. If you're honoring someone special, talk to them and make sure they're comfortable with it. And, of course, sit with it for a few days to make sure it feels right. It's a big decision, so make sure you take your time. Do you use a pen name, or are you considering one? We'd love to hear your thoughts and reasons in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, sign up for our free author newsletter at writtenwordmedia.com for more book marketing tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.